I'm gonna start by poking some holes in our chocolate cake using our straw. Then we're gonna need 1 can of condensed milk, and we're just gonna pour that all over our cake. Then we're also gonna need 1 can of evaporated milk, and we're just gonna pour that all into our holes just like this. And for our third milk, we're gonna need some delicious chocolate milk right on top of our other two. All right, now it's time to pop our cake into the freezer, and we just want to leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now to make our mousse, I'm going to start with 1 cup of cold milk and 1 packet of chocolate powdered mousse. And now we're going to beat this for 1 minute. And there we go, all done. All right, our cake is done setting and it looks just perfect. Then we're gonna take our chocolate mousse and put it on top. Let's add 1 more scoop, and then we'll just start spreading that out into a nice even layer all over our chocolate cake. And there we go, all done. Now it's time for my favorite part, decorating the cake. And I'm just gonna start around the border here by placing a blueberry and then a raspberry just to make a little pattern. So as you can see, our border is coming along nicely and we're getting there. So I'm just gonna keep adding some raspberries and then a little blueberry right next to it. And let's add our last raspberry in the corner. Perfect. Now I'm gonna take some blackberries and add them just in the corners like this. We'll do maybe 3 for each corner. And let's add our last 3 blackberries in this corner. And to add a pop of color, I'm gonna take some fresh mint and add a little bit to each corner with our berries. Look at how pretty that looks. So here I have my beautiful platter of chocolates, and we're gonna take this white one and place it right in the middle. Then I'm gonna take 2 Ferrero Rochers and place them right there. Then I'm gonna add 2 more to this corner. Then I'm gonna take 2 pieces of dark chocolate and place them on each side of our white chocolate. Then we're gonna need some milk chocolate, and then we'll take 1 more and place it below our white chocolate. And now for the finishing touches, I'm just gonna take some finely chopped pistachios, and I'm just gonna add them all in between wherever there is empty space. And everybody knows just how delicious pistachio is with chocolate and some berries. So that's why I'm doing that today. Now look at how beautifully this turned out, but it does need to go in the freezer for about 10 more minutes. So here is our beautiful cake ready to cut into. All right, time to cut ourselves a nice big slice. The corner piece is always my favorite because that's where all the milk collects. All right, let's get our slice out of here and place it on our plate. All right, time to give this a try. Cheers. It's so good. That is the best chocolate cake I've ever had.